Okay, World Lit. This is a video for vocab 7. And I'm going to go through the words and give you the parts of speech as well, because that's kind of a tough, well, I didn't get a chance to do that with block 1. So, bumptious, the OUS makes it an adjective, okay? A cite, this spelling is a verb. It's like cite your source, and then this one, the noun form would be like citation, okay? A consonant, there are two parts of speech here. One is a noun, and that's the non-vowel, right? And then consonant can be an adjective. So look for a noun adjective one, okay? Jibe. Jibe, it can be a noun or a verb. You can jibe someone, you can give them a mean jibe, okay? Repartee is a noun. Repartee is a noun. Rudiment is a noun. ment is a typical noun ending. Sanction, and I want to check and see if they give this as a, yep, they do. They give it as a noun and a verb. The tion makes it a noun, but it can also be used as a verb, okay? So look for a noun verb, another noun verb. Let's see. Satiate is a verb, okay? Satiate, I think I've used that a couple of times. Oh, when we were talking about, oh, what's his face? Oh, it's a guy we'll meet when we take a trip through Hades. Anyway, okay. I gotta stop thinking of it. A subservient is an adjective. And vivacious is an adjective, okay? The noun form of that, vivacity, okay? So vivacious is the noun, or is the adjective, sorry. Okay, let's go to the, the analogies. So, consonant and alphabet, well, that's a part of a whole. A consonant is one part of a 26-letter alphabet, okay? Number 2, decadence and bad influence. These are both nouns, okay? Decadence is a word we'll define in lesson 8, okay? And so it's a noun, and bad influence is noun. So a bad influence will cause decadence. Okay, so we have a cause and effect. The first word, or I'm sorry, the second word in the analogy causes the first word. All right, so use that template. A bad influence causes decadence. Use the second word, causes the first word. Okay, alrighty. Number 3, erroneous is an adjective, correct is an adjective. And if you make a error, you're being erroneous. So we have opposites there, right? Okay. Number 4, flaunt is a verb. Peacock is a not a person, but it's like a living thing. So it's a performer. We have a performer action. A peacock flaunts its feathers, all right, to the peahen. Number 5, jibe and jeer are both verbs, okay, and they mean the same thing, so they're synonyms, okay. Make sure that you're writing after the double colon. Write the main analogy. That's the 10 points on this. Okay, number 6, hypercritical is an adjective. Critical is an adjective. Well, hyper, that prefix makes it a degree. I'm not just critical on the essays, I'm hypercritical. All right. Number 7, irascible is an adjective, so is irritable. And they happen to mean the same thing. Okay, so those are synonymous terms. Miscreant and villain, those are both people nouns. And they mean the same thing. A miscreant is a villain. Number 9, ostentatious is an adjective. Noticeable is an adjective. Now, essentially, they mean the same thing, that you can see them. They are noticeable, but ostentatious is a more connotative word. There's a lot more emotions or a lot more images attached with ostentatious rather than just noticeable. Okay? A person wearing a hot pink jumpsuit with leopard skin, thigh-high boots, and and a big pirate hat, that would be ostentatious. All right, not just noticeable. Okay, so that's a degree. Okay, and then number 10, pretentious and humble. Both are adjectives. So we have 3 choices. Well, in the word pretentious, you see the word pretend. Pretending to be something you're not. Pretentious, usually you're pretending to be something grand, or pretentious person is brags a lot and brags about things that they're really not. And so you can see how those 2 adjectives would be antonyms. They mean the opposite, okay? A pretentious person is pretending to be grand, okay? Anyway, I hope this helps you out. Make sure to write down the main analogies, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.